Hello everyone, Chris Collins here from the SCSeTools support team. We're going to be taking a look today at the image overlay feature in SCSeTools. More specifically, how to upload and manage those overlay files as well as view them once they have been uploaded into the system. So all of this can be handled through the users. You do not have to go through support in order to set all of this up. As always, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to send us an email or give us a call and we'll be more than happy to go over that with you guys. But we're going to take a look at eTools here, and we got the site that we're going to be dealing with today in the top left. So it's the typical login as you typically would in the eTools. Select your site in the top left, and then we're going to jump on over here to the maps. We'll go ahead and use the filter maps for the demo. And here's our landfill that we're actually doing, our demonstration landfill that we're doing the demo with today. And I'm just going to scroll down here so we can kind of get a better idea of what's going on and click on the point names just so we can kind of see what the labels are and what we're actually looking at here. The stereotypical landfill, you got some wells here, you got a couple horizontals over here, probes, so on and so forth. If we scroll down here at the bottom, there's actually two drop downs. There is the select a map overlay and there's an image overlay. The map overlay is the one that we're going to be covering today. The image overlay currently is a placeholder, but eventually will be added so that we can go in and do like aerial views and things like that within eTools. So if you're doing your flyovers once a year or something like that, you can actually be able to upload that on top of it too, is what the plan is. If we click on the drop down on the very first one here, there's a couple of them that I've already had uploaded into the system previously. And you'll notice that both of these are KMZ files. KMZ is a pretty standard file regarding overlay images. You can do it within CAD or within Google Earth to be able to go through and actually do your overlays through there. So we do support those. What we'll actually do here, we have a grids file. All of you in California should recognize that, and then as well as just the basic as-builts that we have pre-made here. For the grids, just for an example, I'll go ahead and select that. And just some example grids that we have set up for the demonstration. Same thing here, I'll go ahead and click on the as-built, and this is just an as-built file that was made within Google. It kind of shows where everything's at, where the horizontals actually run at underground, the as-built information, as well as the header lines. And then we have a jumper here that kind of just runs over the center of the landfill for this demo that we kind of wanted to show here. So again, this is all pre-built. This example was in Google Earth, but you can obviously do this in CAD or any other programs to support the KMZ files. In order to get the image overlay files into eTools, however, you want to go to the document gallery and click on List. And if we go ahead and expand the site level for the folders, there's two new folders that was actually created in here. Currently, they're named Overlay Plans and Overlay Images. These folder names likely will be renamed to match the drop downs that were in the maps. So if they do, it's slightly named a little bit different in the future. Just keep that in mind. It'll match whatever the drop down is there on the maps. So currently, the overlay plans, if we select that, here's the two files that we actually have in the system that's currently available on the maps. To upload those, we'll just click on the upload in the top right of that section. Browse to our file as we typically would a document. Upload it into this folder, and then once it's uploaded into this folder, as long as it's a KMZ file, it will be available on that drop down. That's basically it. If you guys have any questions or if there is anything else that we can help you guys out with, you can email us at support@SCSeTools.com. Our phone number is 866-612-6820. If you do call us, please leave a message with what you're calling about. That way that we can direct your call appropriately. Our hours of operation is 8 o'clock Eastern Time to 5 o'clock Pacific, so 12-hour window there. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or if there's anything else that we can help you guys with, feel free to contact us. Thanks, guys, and everyone have a great day.